channel. It's your girl Velvet Rose here, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell button so that you get notifications every single time that I upload. My voice sounds like a little strange because I was sick and now I'm getting over it, and it's messing with my voice, so I sound weird. I have a full face, but it's not a full face, and you will see why in a moment. But first, I want to show you something. I want to show you this shirt that I have, and it says Velvet Rose. Yes, Big got me this shirt, and I love it. Okay, anyways, so let's get to the video. Okay, so I have a full face of makeup on, but I am missing like the essential part of my makeup because I want to come on here and show you guys that I got this. This is the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collaboration. The second one, this is for LaBronze and LaPeach. It really was just for LaPeach, but she brought back LaBronze. Now, the first, last year when she came out with LaBronze, I totally missed it, and I did not know that it was never going to come out again. And so when she brought back LaPeach and LaBronze, girl, I had to cop. So I'm going to be trying actually both of them on me. And I'm going to see which one I like best, even though I probably like both, to be honest. But I just want to come out here and show you guys. So this is the sparkly rose gold packaging. It says, what does it say? Artist Couture X Jackie Aina. That's her signature. Super cute, super sparkly, and rose gold. And it's got rose gold detailing, and it's super cute. And in here, nothing came in here, but I put the Artist Couture powders inside, and so this is what they look like. And this is LaPeach, and this is LaBronze. I mean, you can't really tell when I'm showing you. This is LaBronze. You guys can see. And this is LaPeach. Oh. They're so pretty. LaBronze is definitely darker. This is LaBronze and this is LaPeach, obviously. Side by side. They both have that pinky-ish undertone. This one's a little more golden. LaPeach is a little more golden. So I'm going to try LaBronze on this side, and then I'm going to try LaPeach on this side. So let's start with LaPeach, and I'm going to go in with my Sigma 435 brush, my tapered highlighting brush. And stuff is so dusty. Ooh. Ooh, this is so pretty. Yes. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is really pretty. I think this might be my new highlight. And then I'm going to put some on my brow bone. I'm using the smaller version of the tapered highlighting brush. Actually, let me... Oh, Jesus. That is banging. I think I'm going to use this on the rest of my face. A look is never put together until you do the highlight. And this is LaPeach. Super, super pretty. And now I'm going to try LaBronze. It looks a little bit too peachy or like rose goldy tone for me, but I'm gonna try it still. Ooh, I might have spoke too soon. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so nice. Yeah, I think I spoke too soon. This is pretty as well. Okay, that's getting in my eye. It is a little bit, like, a little deeper. As you can see, it kind of blends in with my skin a little bit more than this one does. It kind of pops out highlights. This one is like, looks a little bit more subtle, but I still like it. It's really pretty. We're gonna do this. Okay, Jackie. Okay, Jackie. I see you. This is cute, coming through. What a color girl. As always. As always. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Hopefully you can really see the difference when I zoom in. If it focuses on me. Okay, this is LaPeach. Oh, I'm lying. This is LaBronze. And this is LaPeach. As you can see, it's definitely brighter. This is more a little subtle. This is like bam, highlight. Subtle on me, bam, highlight on me. Okay, well, my honest thoughts are these are amazing. These are really beautiful. I already have one Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Illuminati. I have one already. And this is one of my favorites. I put this on top of like any powder that I use. And now I have 3, and these 2 I love the most. I probably will use LaBronze, like if I'm just doing like a little, you know, subtle glow. And then I'll use LaPeach when I want to go all out, you know. But I love these, and these will definitely be getting used. And Jackie, you did your whole entire thing. Get your coin, because you got my coins. Okay, you got my coins, and I regret none of it. But thank you all so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Whatever I'll be doing, I have no idea. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah. Bye.